全观众朋友来看过这新闻，讲到缅甸今仔日呢，伫台湾时间下晡2:20发生规模7.7的大地震，12分钟后，搁再有一个6.4的地震。泰国首都曼谷也拢感受到这地震威力。曼谷市区呢有一栋当咧起的大楼，一下就倒落来，那缅甸也佛塔倒去，剩地基尔尔。泰国总理贝东塔虽宣布曼谷进入紧急状态，而且也提醒民众可能会有地震未。
大楼一日倒落来，沙石洋飞，附近的民众惊到赶紧走。画面顶是泰国曼谷赤道赤区，正伫时间点的国家审计大楼，也来建筑倒来原因是今日下晡当地时间1点半左右，中南半岛连续发生2摆强烈地震，分别是规模7.7甲6.4。这摆地震中央发生伫缅甸中部，离曼德勒大约17公里，离泰国曼谷大约700公里，也毋过深度只有10公里，稍有真浅层地震。所以讲伫缅甸仰光、曼德勒甚至泰国曼谷拢传出灾情，就连中国云南拢感觉到。四个拢是大楼的曼谷市中心，真侪建筑物又甲真严重。一栋大楼楼板顶的游泳池，敢若瀑布上款水一直下落来。发生地震了后，真侪民众毋敢留伫室内，赶紧走到街路上来避难。真侪汽车也停伫路的，惊地震尾过来。
Well, this was an absolutely huge shock here. I was sitting at home and then I heard what sounded like ticking, and I thought maybe it was the washing machine, but I got up to have a look and the washing machine wasn't on, and it was then that I realized that I was swaying and I was becoming dizzy. And then I heard people shouting and it became clear what it was.
另外，伫缅甸首都纳比多，这间佛寺受到严重毁损，佛塔拢倒落来，敢若剩底座，真侪路面逼甲真大坑，汽车经过时阵也只好慢慢开。中部城市曼德勒市有真侪建筑物倒去，有名地标阿瓦桥已经断做几啊段。泰国总理贝东丹伫社群媒体发文讲，已经取消所有行程来召开紧急会议。全泰国甲缅甸双方有原伫统计死伤的人数。公视新闻由派森编译。